Hi friends, good morning. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to install Android 10 beta for OnePlus 7 devices. Google Pixels have already got the stable version of Android 10, but we have not got it yet. So let's just go and install the beta versions. Let me first go to the XDA developers page where I got the zip file. There's the XDA developers page. From here I downloaded the zip file for OnePlus 10 beta update for OnePlus 7. If you see here, OnePlus 7 OTA zip, you have to download this file. Okay, and I have already downloaded this file in my system, and once this file starts downloading, what you need to do is go to the file manager, go to the downloads and find this file, cut it and then paste it in the internal storage, and you have to paste it here. What I have done is I have already pasted it here in my internal storage, and then the next step would be to go to settings. Okay, go to settings and system updates. Okay, go to settings again. See here, go to settings again and click local upgrade. In this local upgrade, you will see the file that you have just placed in your internal storage. Choose this file. Okay, this will say system will update and will not affect your data. However, to ensure please backup. I tried updating this. I did not find any data loss, so I think it is almost for the safe side. You can keep the backup, but nothing happened when I updated my phone with this method. And once you press install now, what will happen is it will start installing this OS, and once the installation is done of Android 10 is done, it will ask you to reboot. Once you reboot, your Android 10 beta will be installed for your phone. I have already done that in my phone, so let's go ahead and see what is the version of Android here in my phone. It is Android 10 version, and let me also quickly go ahead and check how the phone, what are the new features that are there for Android 10. Go back in the settings, you can see digital well-being is one of the new features here. Just go ahead and it tells you what time you spent on each application, how many times you have unlocked it. In fact, it will give you timer of each individual applications on the desktop also. And one more new thing that I know about Android 10 is the gestures. If you see button and gestures, here we have the new gestures, that is swipe left and swipe right to go back, and swipe up to go home, and switch between recent apps is through this bar. Let me just see, now I am trying to go back, and now I can go back via swipe left or right. See here, swipe left, and then so if I swipe on the right side also, I am able to go back, and then to go home, swipe from the bottom. And most interesting thing is swiping at the bottom of the screen to switch to previous applications. It is as if everything is in one single application and we can switch between them seamlessly. If you see here, I am just swiping at the bottom and I am able to switch between applications. So I think that's all for today's videos, guys. Let me know in the comments if you need me to explore more on the Android 10 beta and post another video about it. Thank you. Bye bye. Hey guys, I just forgot to mention that once you install the beta versions, and after that you don't have to do anything manually to get the further updates. You will always keep getting the beta updates from OnePlus. Like I have just installed the OS OnePlus on my OnePlus 7 device I have just installed the beta version of Android, and if you see I am already getting the OTA updates from OnePlus. So this is only a one time activity that we just did, and after that we don't need to do anything. All the updates will get directly from OnePlus, so you do not worry about what if I install this beta version OS on my system, what will happen next, what will I get the next updates or not. This was just an FYI. Thank you guys, bye bye.